So I got the first rounded cut here. I got this curve here that narrowed it down, so that's a curve on a cut on the outside of my car. I didn't erase the bottom yet because I'm going to use it. Next I'm going to make a hole that comes on the inside right here. It's just going to be a hole through the center of the car. So I'm going to go to half car for modeling again. Now I want to be working on this red side. So I can see this is my car. I want to get a line that kind of mimics this line right here. So I'm going to do an offset. You don't have to do an offset, but I want to do an offset. There. There. And now I can draw a straight line here and a line here. And I can erase out the couple parts that I don't want. So what an offset does, you learned a new tool there, is it makes the line exactly the same, only a certain distance away. So there is my front view cut, or my top view cut, sorry. And I'm going to do my push-pull, and you guys know what we have to do when we're working with push-pull on here. Change to offset. It only push-pulls a certain amount. It won't go all the way through the top, so we got to tap, again, the Control key. Go all the way through the top. And this one, because it had this line here, I got to do it 2 times. Control, all the way through the top. Next step, flip it around. We can see it's not cut at this point. So this is where I'm going to right-click on my car and select all connected faces. Actually, right-click, select all on same layer. So it selects everything. You can also double or triple click on it and it'll keep selecting everything. So now I have this line selected, right click, intersect faces with model. And it just made this line here. Front view. You got it. We can go to the eraser. I'm going to show you another little tool though. I'm going to use the select tool. With the select tool, if I drag from right to left, whatever I touch, I can't go down here and touch this piece, but whatever I touch gets selected. And I can hit the delete key. And it takes all that off there a little bit quicker. Over here, select, delete, and I can come back and just clean up my little spots that I need to. Go to top view. I can come in here, clean all this up, and I now have a cut on this side and a cut on the CO2 cartridge side. Let's see what full car looks like. There's a top view cut. You need to make one more side view cut on the outside, one more top view cut on the outside. I'd say do it behind here, and do one more top view cut on the inside right here on your own. And that gives you a good understanding of how to create front view and top view cuts.